AT&T Phone for Business Flexible Calling Line ID. Jane's customers know who's calling when they see her company's name appear on their phones. AT&T set up the listing name for Jane when she ordered her AT&T Phone for Business primary line. As business grows, Jane adds new lines for her new employees. When they make outgoing calls from any line, the caller ID also shows Jane's company name. Then, Jane hires a service manager and adds a line for the service department. She wants calls from the service department to display a different caller ID name and number. The Flexible Calling Line ID feature makes this possible. Here are a few things to keep in mind about Flexible Calling Line ID. It's available for customers with more than one line. Before you can use Flexible Calling Line ID, the additional line must be added to your company's business listings, which requires an additional monthly fee. To do this, call your AT&T representative. By default, a new line shows the same caller ID name and number as your primary line. To change this, sign into My AT&T and then go to AT&T Phone for Business and change the Flexible Calling Line ID setting for the new line. To learn how to sign into My AT&T and go to AT&T Phone for Business, watch the video AT&T Phone for Business, sign in and access your phone features. Here's how to change the setting. On the AT&T Phone for Business page, select the new line from the number list. Then click the Phone Features tab. Next, scroll down to Outgoing Calls and expand Flexible Calling Line ID. By default, Flexible Calling Line ID is on, which means that calls from the line will show the listing information for the primary line. When Flexible Calling Line ID is off, calls from the new line will show the listing information for the new line. To turn off Flexible Calling Line ID, click Off and then click Save. And that's it! You can turn the setting on and off as needed. Simply sign in to My AT&T. Want to learn more? For more videos, go to www.att.com/smbhowtovideos. For step-by-step help, go to the Support Center at att.com/smallbizsupport.